Assalamualaikum grade 9. Hope you all are fine. Today we will start our exercise number 2.4 of unit number 2 algorithms. Your question is find the antilog of the following number. Our question number 1 is 2.4324. So first of all we have to take the antilog of 2.4324. So we people just have to find characteristic and mantissa. Now the question is what is characteristic and what is mantissa. So the integral part of a number is called characteristic or in simple words ऐसा नंबर जो पॉइंट से पहले आता है वो आपकी characteristics होता है. And mantissa, what is mantissa? Mantissa is the decimal part of the number, means ऐसा numbers जो पॉइंट के बाद आते हैं वो आपके mantissa होते हैं. So our mantissa in this question is 0.4324 and characteristic is 2. Now we have to find antilogarithm of 2.4324. To find antilog we will just consider the value of mantissa which is 0.4324. So हमने 0.43 को पहले 2 में देखा तो 2 में इसकी वैल्यू आई 2704 एंड देन फिर 0.43 को ही हम मीन डिफरेंस में 4 में इसकी वैल्यू देखेंगे विच इज़ 3. एज वी नो 0.43 को जब हमने 2 में देखा तो हमारी वैल्यू है 2704 एंड देन वी हैव सीन इट इन 4 इन मीन डिफरेंस. आवर आंसर इज 3. So we people will add these two numbers. So our answer is 2707. So antilog of 2.4324 is 2707. Now you have to place the point. First of all, to place the point you have to know what is a reference point. Reference point is always after the first non-zero number and our decimal point is according to characteristic. As our characteristic is 2, so our decimal point will be after 2 digits of reference point. Means आपका reference point 2 के बाद है, इसके बाद 2 digits और लेंगे 70. इस यहाँ पर आपका आ जाएगा decimal point. Same as last question, we will find the antilog of 1.5890. First of all, we will write antilog of 1.5890. Then we have to find its characteristic and mantissa. What is characteristic? The number before the decimal part is called characteristic. So our characteristic is 1. Now what is mantissa? As I have told you people already, the decimal part of the number is called mantissa. मतलब point के बाद की value को हम mantissa कहते हैं. To find antilog of number, we will just consider mantissa, which is 0.5890. So ये एंटीलॉग टेबल में हमारा 0.58 है. जब हमने इसको 9 में देखा, दिस इज द लास्ट वैल्यू. आवर आंसर इज 3882 एंड मीन डिफरेंस में 0 की वैल्यू नहीं होती. सो 0.58 को 9 में देखने पर हमारा आंसर है 3882. सो एंटीलॉग ऑफ 1.5890 इज 3882. नाउ first of all we know that reference point is always after first non-zero digit. It means आपका reference point is after 3. Now as our characteristic is 1, so our decimal point should be after 1 digit of reference point. As our reference point is here, so our decimal point is after 8, which so your answer is 38.82. Okay students, next is our question number 3, which is 0.2425. First of all, we have to find the characteristic of this number. What is characteristic? Characteristic is always before the decimal point. So our characteristic is 0. Now we have to write mantissa. What is mantissa? As I have already told you people, the mantissa is always after the decimal point. So our mantissa is 2425. Next, as last question, आपने पहले 0.24 को 2 में देखना है. So we will get the answer 1746. And when I have seen it in mean difference, its value at 5 is 1. Then I have added these two numbers. 1746 plus 1 is equals to 1747. So our antilog of 0.2425 is 1747. Now we will place the reference point which is always after the first non-zero digit. As our characteristic is 0, so our decimal point is on the same place of reference point. So our answer is 1.747. Next is our question number 4, 3.5636. First of all, you have to take antilog of this number, or just write the antilog of this number. Next, you have to find characteristic and mantissa. As I have already told you, characteristic is 3, which is before the decimal part, and mantissa is 0.5636, which is after the decimal part, which is after the decimal point. It is the decimal part of the number. When we have find the value of 0.56 in 3, we got the answer 3656, and mean difference, its value is 5. So we have to add these numbers. 3656 plus 5 is equals to 3661, 3661. So our answer of antilog of 3.5636 is 3661. As our characteristic is 3, so our decimal point is after 3 digits of reference point. As our reference point is always after the first non-zero digit, so it is after 3, and after reference point we have to place the decimal point after 3 values. So our first value, second value and third value, it will come after 1. So our answer is 3661.0. Next, our question number 5 is 4. So to find antilog, we will write the antilog of 4. But we don't have mantissa parts, so we will place point, and after that we will write zeros. So our characteristic is 4 and mantissa is 0.000. So in our rough work, we will find the value of 0.00 in 0, which is 1000. So antilog of 4 is 1000, and our characteristic is 4. As we know that our decimal part is always after the reference point according to characteristic, and our characteristic is 4. So we will place our point after the 4 digits of reference point. This is our reference point. We will count 1, 2, 3, and we will add one more 0, and after that we will place point. Question number 6 is 0.0038. To find antilog of 0.0038, first of all we have to find characteristic, which is always before the decimal part. So our characteristic is 0, and mantissa, as we know that mantissa is the decimal part of the number. और हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि mantissa हमेशा पॉइंट के बाद वाले नंबर्स को कहा जाता है, और एंटीलॉग लेने के लिए हम हमेशा mantissa की वैल्यू को ही कंसीडर करते हैं. सो टू फाइंड एंटीलॉग ऑफ 0.0038, we will find the value of 3 in 0.00, so we will get the answer 1007. एंड देन हम मीन डिफरेंस में 0.00 की वैल्यू 8 में देखेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द आंसर 2. To find antilog of this number, we will add these two numbers. So 1007 plus 2 is equals to 1009. So our antilog of 0.0038 is 1009. As you people already know that reference point is always after the first non-zero digit. And we will place our decimal point according to characteristic. As our characteristic is 0, so our decimal point is on the same place where our reference point is. Next is our question number 7, 1 bar 0.2429. So we have to find the antilog of negative number. 1 bar means -1. First of all, we will write characteristic. Our characteristic is 1 bar, or we can write it as -1. And mantissa, as I have already told you people, our mantissa is always the decimal part of the number, which is 0.2429, and we will find the antilog through mantissa. So 0.24 को जब हमने 2 में देखा, so we will get the answer 1746, and in mean difference it's 0.24 की वैल्यू 9 में हमारे पास 4 आई. So we people have to add these two numbers, and we will get the answer 1750. So antilog of 1.2429 is 1750. As our characteristic is negative, so our decimal point will be at the start or the left side of the reference point. So we will write our answer 0.1750.